BAGHEL IT Solutions welcomes you. In this video, you will learn how to deduct TDS on purchases under Section 194Q in TallyPrime Release 5.0. Before we proceed, let us learn a bit about the TDS Section 194Q. As per the Finance Bill 2021, TDS has to be deducted when purchasing goods under Section 194Q. According to this section, if the deductor's annual turnover in the previous financial year exceeded Rs 10 crore, then in current financial year, Section 194Q becomes applicable. And if the purchase or advance payment to the deductee exceeds Rs 50 lakh, then TDS must be deducted on the value above the threshold limit of Rs 50 lakh. You must calculate TDS at 0.1% if the seller has a PAN or at 5% if the seller does not have a PAN. The bill also states that entities like the government, e-commerce operators, sellers charging TCS, and NRIs are exempted from TDS deduction under Section 194Q. Now, let us see how you can handle all these provisions in TallyPrime 5.0. First, let us create a statutory master, TDS nature of payment, for Section 194Q with a threshold limit of Rs 50 lakhs. On the gateway of Tally, press C for Create and select TDS Nature of Payments under Statutory Masters. Press Alt-H to view the list of Nature of Payment. Type or select 194Q and press Enter. The name, section, and payment code are filled in automatically. Enter other details as applicable. Under Rate for Individuals HUF and Rate for other deductee types, set the tax rate for with PAN at 0.1% and without PAN at 5%. Now, let's come to the two most important configurations for TDS under Section 194Q. Enter the threshold exemption limit as 50 lakhs. Enable the option Calculate tax on value exceeding the limit to deduct TDS on purchases exceeding the threshold limit of 50 lakhs. Press Ctrl A to save the TDS nature of payment. Now let us record a purchase voucher below the threshold limit. On the gateway of Tally, press V for vouchers and press F9 to open the purchase voucher. Under the party account name, select the party ledger with TDS applicability. Under Purchase Ledger, select the Common Purchase Ledger configured with TDS applicability. Select the nature of payment configured for Section 194Q from the list of TDS nature of payment and press Enter. Enter the name of item, quantity, and rate. Select the GST ledgers. To view the detailed tax breakup, press Ctrl O, TDS Tax Analysis, and press Alt F5. You can see the taxable value and tax rate. Press Escape to come back to the voucher screen. Provide the narration if needed and press Ctrl A to save the voucher. Now let us record a purchase voucher crossing the threshold limit with the TDS 194Q nature of payment. Under the party account name, select the party ledger with TDS applicability. Under Purchase Ledger, select the Common Purchase Ledger configured with TDS applicability. Enter the name of item, quantity, and rate. Select the GST and TDS ledgers. As the total purchase value has crossed the threshold limit of 50 lakhs, TDS is calculated on the amount above 50 lakhs rupees. To view the detailed tax breakup, press Ctrl O, TDS Tax Analysis, and press Alt F5. You can see the assessable value and exemption value along with the taxable value, tax rate, and tax value. The exemption value here is 10 lakhs because 40 lakhs is already exempted in the previous transaction of this party. Press Escape to come back to the voucher screen. Provide the narration if needed and press Ctrl A to save the voucher. Press Alt G. Type or select Form 26Q and press Enter. As you can see, the amount under exemption limit is 50 lakhs. If you further drill down on 50 lakhs, you can see that 40 lakhs is from the first voucher and 10 lakhs from the latest voucher. The remaining amount above the threshold limit from the latest voucher, that is 15 lakhs, is under deduction at normal rate. TallyPrime automates the allocation and deduction of TDS in Form 26Q as per the threshold limit configured in the nature of payment master. Note that this TDS 194Q automation in TallyPrime will be available while recording advance payments to parties and also in journal vouchers. If you want to learn about the exemptions under TDS Section 194Q, watch How to Exempt TDS under Section 194Q in TallyPrime video linked in the description. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance.